As a girl without brows, how I do my no makeup to school every day. To do your no makeup look, you don't need too much at all. All you need to do first is to draw your brows. So I use this liner to draw the outline of my brows. This is the edge control I use in case you want to ask. This is the edge control that I use. So as a girl with big forehead, you have to make your line, your brows bold, and you have to lift it up a little bit. You can see that this is the natural line of my brows, but then because I don't have hair there, I just shaped everything up and then I lifted it up a little bit to take more space on my forehead. Yes, that is how we do it. Shade this in with your brown pencil. So I use my normal regular brown pencil to shade the inside of my browns directly lined out. So just go like conceal, baby. So I use my Pro concealer, the regular Pro concealer. You can find this anywhere in any store. Then next I use my lip matte as my blush. I don't have a regular blush, so I use my lip matte as my blush because it can work, so why not? I use MAC Buttercup setting powder. I use setting powder for my under eye. Oh, this is a little too much. After baking my face, after using the setting powder, I use this eyeliner for my under eye. It is time for lining. Let's line my eye. I also use this liner for my lips. I just use my brown pencil to blend the black line. I'm going to also use this my lip matte for my lip, but then there is this one under this lipstick. So in case you don't know, your lipstick might have this too. For my hair, as you see how healed my forehead is, so it is time to transform. So let me pack my hair off camera and then I'm going to come back to show you the finished look.